nanti tambah ini ke mesin, bisa pokok jadi mesin, mengutam pokok ini.
If we don't have this grinder, then for grinding of mixing, we need this type of board.
Pakai air jauh paling tidak ada mesin selatan untuk menggunakan itu kuai. Kata gue kerja pasti terus tambah. Kalau orang yang punya pesanan itu, itu tambah waktu siap.
Again in normal temperature. The general process actually. Sometimes I have seen that.
Ini dia bisa sutang buat kan, snap no.
Few areas I have seen.
Pun dari bang le ini sing dari bang ông bang tak ada. Dekat bawah.
Now go to take your seat. Ginger garlic for another 30 seconds. After that, another 1 minute with moida flour. Okay. So now the entire emulsified products is ready. So from this emulsification, then we can do sausage. So this is the main wings portion. This is the breast area. We will cut the leg area. So here we will just slit this one like this. Total dramatis actually. So we have, if we cut from here, then we will get the drumstick. This is the drum area. So we'll cut like this, or we can cut like this also. But no, this is no. First, let's dig here. Okay. This is not. I think this one. No, this one. Actually, this one should be. This two is the drumstick area. Now, what we will do? We'll cut the wings area. This is the. We can do the battering of this one with the. We'll put it this one after marinations. We'll cut like this, and we'll use the marination. And after that, once 4 to 5 hours, we'll do the marination along with the spices, vinegar. Then, once the marination is completely done, then we can fry this one using the breadcrumbs. We will give that one. We have to put this one. Batter is a mixture, then wheat flour, salt, spices, and water. So that will give a nice cover of this one, just to so that we can use the breadcrumbs or for covering of this one. So these breadcrumbs will use here along with the cornflakes, tea, spices, etc. And we can do the chicken kebab, tengri kebab.
Kita ini dokter nilai penangkam. Ya ini hasil apabila pedam maka muslim muslah bahasa kenta, anda kelak pedam piwi asal muda. Tuh krom.
But you have to remove this.
in the writing process. Otherwise, you're going to end up with together with your hand. If you really want it to happen this way, where you could use Cajun seasoning, you could use an herb blend, anything. You guys speak Cajun.
This is the smaller size. Don't need.
Iklan di iklan. Nampak sependek itu. Jadi bukan dok kebun kan? Kalau ada buktinya. Ya sentuh.
lihat kita lihat ulah umet. Dah dulu sudah kabel ini pak bawa ini deh. Nah keriak biang tu sini. Kap ya. Keriak tu kap biang. Ni apa kupat tu? Nah, kan itu. Tekor sini kita dah bakal tu. Buat rendang, ada tang gue, ada untuk ni, lebih kuat rendang itu. Rendang kuat itu tentang kamu lagi. Bila kuat tentang ni gue, tentang kalau ni kan ni, kuat tentang ni dan konsep aja. Ambil yang kuat lihat itu, lihat itu aku kuat rendang. Sampai, asli betul. Ini santan
Ini dari misal abang.
ada gini. Ini. Saya ni mana? Hampir perang ya, makhluk. Ini bisa bahaya kan? Jangan berhubung dengan tahu. Dan hal ini pun makan rendang ini bukan bangde bang ini yang kita tahu juga. Balik cok tu ada gue itu sedap peran ini nanti minum peran bukan kayak kedok long balik ini kah ngabdur ini mana sedih lah sekian umur ini lah brown putih long lawan tu kan Oh, iya, enggak. Gitu muslim muslah ulah kan. Terhias lah. Ya, ini kaset. Ini punya kaset lah. Ini buat satu berkomplek itu sausage, berfek, sausage.
Lampas panas gitu. Senang banget. Sangat ganteng banget. Yang ada apa yuk? Wasit apa? Dah kadang sudah rekam semua. Bila awak piban? Ish push pan? Iba dan hot. Pidawan mana ni?
Five. This is anise, soft. So we'll take 10 grams of this one.
Tu ginger, I bang restoran na ini.
This way. This one is cumin. Yes, this one. It's okay.
Chili powder.
Lazy dia itu cinnamon.
Cumin, 20 grams. Haldi. For the main spice mix, we have to mix this. Every formulations we use this. It's okay. Ginger. So this is the dry ginger powder.
Đó, ông sang đây sạch sát thầm mà chụp thầm cười. Sạch khruat, thì em gần ra, khruat thì gần ra. Ini hujan. Ini ông cardamom. Ini ang dah tenakar yang
This is coriander.
ini dimakan ngaji. Bukan yang dakibang, bukan yang masak kemarin belum malam. Ada yang kata keluar. Ini dia. Ini sampai jiran.
Only 2 grams.
Ini dah di restoran di Ebang ini. Pilih bantau wik kena butuh jengbang, nomor 2 apalat umuslaru, kadok ke bangrat. Anda dah film lian malah kapur, mesti film lian nomor tidak siap sibuan makna.
Kena mer.
So now we grind all these things.
Right. Uno. Hot buat penek, long buat penek kadok nah. Anda film lek mus. Fried onion? Yes. Hek ma, ot news in, ot let.
When you're gonna get training.
Dah kuat sekian.
We require the deboned chicken meat.
Jadi dulu bang, matinya bukan ini.
So there should not be any bone in that particular.
Hindi bantang di sini.
Emulsified products, sausage, burger patty, Then end of products like coating with bread, batter and breadcrumbs. Then you can do this your end of egg products. You can cover with prepare out of these emulsions. Once you know how to develop, so make it compositions of these value-added products are these emulsified products. What does it mean? Suppose you are preparing 1 kg of your emulsified product, then for prime products emulsion you have to take meat 670 grams. Meat will be 570 grams for 1 kg. Suppose once we mix up all our ginger, then spices, binders, ice, etc. For making 1 kg, we only need 570 grams of
Fat. So you can add goat, but don't use pork. Suppose people are not consuming the pork, so they will ask you now why you have given pork fat in chicken products. So for chicken,
Ka choice ka bangila bang kle mulum malah dia. Peleng lane kino ki jor ki bakam tat baki beriu gila bakit mah itu. Kum hakas siap boleh dengan try ngilak bani orang mah.
fat, otherwise you use goat or lamb.
Okay. Kita buang ya ka dos ni kita bintang ni nang
Cabbage, then bottle gourds and your this cooked potato. These are the three we use and whole egg liquid. But only the prime products. So we are not using the
garlic. Ing.
keep it separate.
Habis itu Saudi.
These are all we are keeping here. Now, spice.
Mesti masalah.
This is 15 grams, okay? So, keep it there. 30 grams. This is 30 grams, huh?
Gram.
sugar. Three grams sugar.
Dan kamlai gram kamlu. Dan kamlai gram.
Kedok, moida, ransun, garlic, slim musla, melu,
Ini folic phosphate.
So, measuring scale 3 grams will be 70 grams. 6 kg 700 grams. Then the percentage of nitrite will be 10 grams in that case. So only pink.
Ini dan kam lihat. Dan kam sepuluh. Betul. Itu angka.
Fats.
Kalau saya jingber sunde bangber, tek bis tek, tek diam, skis. Baru saya jingber madu beslang. Madu tak, diam.
This is the fat. Okay. As it is not fermented, na? So
Boiled water with 2% salt in the boiled water.
Dah kita lihat yang ni rekaman dalam mesin. Kita lihat hi dalam selong kadang lah so kita lihat yang lain. Snap kadau. Bang kerja snap nak tetap ni kan kerja dia. Berharap ni ya kini geranda. Kita kadang faham kita lihat saya kini geranda dia kedua. Dah hidan kenjaba hentang tu ida satar tidak kam itu.
First, we will put this butter paper.
Kini set penonton berkin set kit. Ni set jengbang ni ya.
Either butter
Siang
paper
kami.
or wax paper. Or preparing the cakes, we need this one.
Kini kita update paper, kita ni pakai paper kini.
Put this one here. Then we'll put. Take out this one, just only for showing. So after that, close like this.
Once it is ni kita sekarang kalau terlihat, kalau ada terlihat kecil ni buat suaka kecil.
Then you flip this one, tie with thread. Then you have the rice cooker, pressure cooker. Open the lid, that is the pressure one, and just steaming without that pressure. Then you just give pressure, steaming. Then like it will be this type of structured block, meat block. Then you can slice that one. First you remove this one, then you put this one in the refrigerator. Next day you just remove this one and open this one like this. Just like cake, you can. Then there will be a meat block. So you take that one and slice that one. Then you can cover that one with the many types of products like small chicken bites, nuggets. You can fry that one. You can cover it with the breadcrumb and batter. You can do the many products. I have mentioned that one in the actual presentations. So sir will give that one to you.
Ken tak hasbok tak ha, bu bitrong kon itu. Tak kamu lama.
The intestine of goat and lamb is used, but there are also synthetic sausage casing, that is plastic type. This one you can consume, but that one you can't consume, so you have to peel that one first. Once
Kini
it's very big one, huh? So what we will have to do, we have to take only, this is salt, along with the salt, huh? So first we have to put this one in water. After 2 hours we will use this one. But don't put all at a time. Only take 2 to 3 feet. First cut that one and use that one. Then cut that one and use that one. Like this. So we'll put this one. Mix the batter. So how to do that batter? Well,
Entah bohong bayar tiga berteli kunci lebong. Ni saja pelakon sedih bantu. Kata puting mun
little salt. Just sprinkle little. Then seasoning, okay?
ha masih clear.
If you want, you can give a little slit here. Then rub the and the asking this fellow whether we can do. Now, after तो ऐसा ही हम लोग स्टीमिंग करेंगे. मोमो का जो बर्तन है उसमें स्टीमिंग करेंगे.
इसको हम लोग अभी रख देंगे.
Not working.
That's not what
खराब हो गया.
अभी हम लोग बैटर के लिए ब्रीडिंग के लिए जो फॉर्मुलेशंस है उसको मिक्स करेंगे. कैसे कैसे बैटर होता है, बैटर में क्या क्या मिक्स करेंगे. ये ब्रेड क्रम है. ब्रेड क्रम कैसा है, देखा है वो टोस्ट.
You don't come on floor.
कॉर्नफ्लोर और एक ये लीजिए जिसमें इसको मिक्स कर दीजिए. 20 ग्राम अभी हुआ ना.
So 4 gram will come floor.
बस ओके. नाउ व्हीट फ्लावर लेंगे हम लोग 20 ग्राम सिमिलरली. आटा
Atta.
now rice flour. It's very difficult to understand. Anyway, again 20 grams. What is besan? It's a gram flour. That is a fola ka flour. Chana. Chana ka flour.
Dry.
Dry chana. This one is 20.
Itu 4 gram. Okay.
This is 16.5 grams. 16 gram. Say one. Here is not actually
Itu masla mah. Yang ni.
one completely 2 grams. You see what machine is not regulated. You understand?
Hard.
Yes.
Lawan fries, lawan boil, poultry. Terus kalau sibuk, tok angkat yakin kan. Buat lam ni kan free, lawan ikladon di ikladon angkat.
Okay.
Nah, kan om angkat kasih spamel.
Another button. Let's see.
Sebentar ya gitu bang. Baca so, dah kiri. Dah kiri kita.
But twenty grams. It's okay. Well, you need the white. Use the salt.
1.5.
1.5 gram. First one. Measuring one. I don't know. What is happening? What is this? 0.5. When is 1.5? I think this one 1.5.
come staff, the other parties from you equally as part of KTV of it. Not the bomb, so. Lihat boleh bandel ikut ini kita siap. Macam hal tak semua ini.
Sebab dia delay ni.
Kani apa? Kita untuk mengingatkan untuk play kani spray, play kani drum, sangat kani. Kani bersurat lagi. Sementara yang sementara ini ubah red tu. Ini cepet. So, ini juga begitu ibarat bukan PI mana nak TV bisa udah untuk ibarat apa.
There is plastic nozzle also.
Tidak ada plastik begini. Okey, kalau saya mungkin tak itu.
Aku pernah ketika janji ketika ada ikan saja syuting sekarang
Yang ini yang depan dia itu ya cip kalau kamu kita yang om tentang no tu banyak dia tu kemudian orang sedang buat Anda tidak penonton, tenang.
Awak terlibat betul, awak terlibat. Ya, penting sudah kadang. Pihak penenkam maka juat ini yang pihak penenkam bakal buat niat nak niat lang ha ski dua aliam oh kebelong bandang kadon kebelong bandang di benang tu kayak lihat tu lah setia di benang tu pedeng ini di benang tu pelun lihat tu dah sakut jenis liang nak ilek batang kayak tu dia bolong net nak lagi tu kita masuk pakai ini
Main nak lah ni.
no
There are two types. One is natural one, another how it's coming.
Ji. Tembolong ni hati bi. Ji yang.
Then give a little twist here, like this.
Then there is your this one, no? Some places this is.
Now dire baka ni kadika steel am kuyo khiwa daka plastik ya begini daka plastik
Double plastic deh.
sausan hajar pala ya grinder mungkin ke khamr
That we are using this
na
one
grind
for
ya ski
Ya debu.
tom
Okay.
that's all the
Just not that one.
Maka ini ada baju nilak bang, pek, mah. Iya, tolong tuh, kuat tuh, kuat tang tuh, tolong. Senang nih, ikut baju dia,
Again, twist that one.
kuat tang tuh, ini ayo, tolong.
Then
Lain
we'll
teli yang ni. Kalau dari bajrong tidak bakalan tu antak kan. Saya sekarang nufi kuat. Basi minta si san si tahun si bulan si tak kuat ikelan pelan itu. Kita cekelan untuk mengelekan kelan untuk nasak abia. Tidak lo.
finish now, then we'll do steaming. What is steaming? You do the momo na?
Itu baju ilannya bangin sak.
Ask them to how to steam.
At once, but
We'll have to do this that one separately.
Longin hable la ka jong. Long tang seperti ini ni dia baik. Pero siya tadi no ini haswa wakin sdi. Dikle intensity masla. Dikle sotong masla mula ini. Begitu hidupan KFC Swiggy gibalik ini hidup kambing like 4 minutes dah steam dari balik dari gokile haka
This is done. Then we'll grill this one. Then we'll put that one in the deep freezer for storage. When the customer will thaw that one, and after that we will grill that one and serve hot the customer along with chutney, mint chutney. Okay, or you can give sausage also. So first
ini yung cut like this kan tandoori yung chicken tandoori kamu baki siap haka tandoor oven baki dan tandoor pada bahas tandoor.
So after that, sprinkle some salt. Then this spice mix.
Nah, itu tandoori.
Actually, we don't have this lemon, no? So we are just using without. But initial stage we have to give lemon first. No? Or you can use vinegar also.
Bagindan ada kan vinegar.
So this one will keep for 30 minutes. But as we don't have time,
require right now, huh? So we'll do that one really.
Ini ke plastik, untuk saudam kita bah bakanum rung leer. So bakanum rung leer. Buktu musla rung bahasa po. Di pencong hai kumbas teng kentai ha ka fridge. Wadbu pada ka fridge, wadbu weteng tu ka fridge kerja.
Take butter, just sprinkle little butter, then we'll put this one
Dia
in.
lai kuminet isiam kam makan, pun kam makan. Suah bangin, tap ka tandur mah, itulah nama makan suah. Buru arliang, misah, tap ka oven lah.
One in the oven. Well, that is not the mustard oil. Rice bran oil mixed with butter.
Kaki du kalam, ikut ni kaki sembuh berat, niat betul tu, sakit kan maka.
Huh? Break.
Dapun rasmi pada jalan.
Battering, for doing the battering, we use this egg. Or you.
Kalau jika nem apple lembut kelak balik dah kau tunggu.
100 ml water only. But taste will be better if you add egg.
Empat minit empat.
There should not be any lump.
Kau bikin ya kita kadok bakal.
Does the excess breadcrumbs, breading cushions. Now we can similarly we can do the sausage also. Then you can with the buttering you can do that one also. And once it is done like this, the excess bread crumbs. Now you can deep fry this one. Okay. So battering and breading done. So we have, you see. So there is a actual process is that you have to keep. Once it is done, then you have to. It is after cooling. You have to put this one in the refrigerator. The next day you remove this one, then you cut. This, have you seen the structure? Yes. Already it is solidified. So after once it is cool, then you have to pick like cake. This one you can. Then you can cover this batter and this type of chicken bites you can do.
Chicken cutlet
Or pork
Ini
cutlet.
pork cutlet kelak bacet mah. Pemakan set agak dok seniak. Okay.
Aku lagi buang ke sana lah, udah yang usia tu, sen set lagi yang aku.
Sakit. Tak anu tu.
Saya nanti nanti lepas tahun.
Mos sikit.
Ask them to see. Add little oil.
Brownish.
Here. Mix this one. But the meat we are using here is pork. Even already the
Kita pergi masalah di bang klek mana. Ni ada ban sedik. Uni upiak urunsun buat seumur nak sedik. Buat ni upan. Bulan
mashed
dep.
potato.
Pan mana.
Bread actually, but you have to remove this one.
Ni dan ni roti. Dan kambing tang ini benar kedai.
Ini dah power
Now we have to our home mixer grinder, we can use that one also.
Uni ada pilih hai kam prabha.
If you want, you can add chopped coriander leaves. Okay, you can add for proper mixing with, but now maida.
Tadara phim tip hiu deu tu
Akan. Akal ni mudah.
tho basil na spinach ma da phim tip hi dan food na man ta tak hak khun jum phi ru ang pek ding ai ni ai ban dur ding ni ya practice yang mo
But you have to mix properly with the mixer.
Bandina roti ni dan kamu tisu bukan lam terkamal bukan dak apa tisu. Simple sasna aku ni kan. Susdi.
Almost probably 10 to 12, 18 products you can do there. It is mentioned how to do that one. Okay. And this is the tandoori, you have how to do that one, you have planned how to do that one. Now, what to do? After demoning, you have the lots of bone. What to do with that one?
Yang kamu. Long sebut dia roti sesuai. Macam yang ni yang
After demoning with sodium tripolyphosphate, meat will be separated. And the liquid, dead liquid, you can use that one for preparing the soup.
Klek makan ni, Tidak memulai bang. Tapi sapulir tu. Kanum sab ai.